it's Daniela again and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided I would do a little get ready with me and just gonna put some makeup on and chat to you. So if you're interested, please continue watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. As you can see, I've already got my base down, well, most of it, and that's because I'm doing a review. I'm not sure if it'll be up before this video. If it is, I will link it on the little iCards. So I think I'm going to do a look using this palette because I haven't used this in a while. And I think I'm actually going to do like a greenish look inspired by my tea. So let's get started. I'm going to go in with this colour I think first. And I'm going to take this into my crease. I feel really weird having foundation on and doing my eyes like when I have foundation on. Has anyone been watching the World Cup? I've been watching some of the games, not all of them. I've been watching, obviously, Portugal. I watched today England beat, I can't remember the team they were playing, but last time I saw they were on like 5-0 and they were playing really well actually. So I'm just going in with a clean blending brush. And the brush I used for my crease was the M513 by Morphe. And now I'm going in with the E28 just to really clean this up. So now I'm going in with this colour on my outer V / crease as well with a smaller brush. The brush I'm using is the Zoeva 224. I'm just going back in with that crease colour just to blend out a little bit. Is anyone else excited for Purge, the new one to come out? Because I really am. I love the Purge movies. I don't like horrors, but I do like the Purge movies. I think the storyline is actually a really good storyline. Terrifies me, but I do think it's a really good storyline. I hope it never actually happens, but I love the storyline of the Purge movies. I'm not sure on this look, if I'm honest. I don't know what it is. They're there, but they're kind of just blending into one colour. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my E17 brush and I'm going to take this colour and use that on my outer V just to darken it out a little bit. And then just blend it up a little bit. So I'm just blending out this colour now that I put my outer V just with a kind of clean brush. I'm not too keen on how this look is looking. Like these two colours kind of just blended into one colour and kind of just blended into this colour really. And like there's definitely a difference. This one's definitely darker, but for some reason they blended into like one colour. So I'm just going back in with that crease colour just to blend out a little bit. Now for the lid, I'm going to go in with my Makeup Geek single eyeshadow in Limelight, which looks like that. And I just want to make this look a little bit more something. This look isn't giving me life right now. It's really not. I don't know what it is. I feel like it's because I've got my foundation on as well that I'm like so not used to it that I'm just like, what is happening? So the shadow is dry, but I'm going in with my finger now. Maybe this will pull the look. Okay, so I'm just going to go on my outer V, just touch that up a little bit with this same colour that I used before, just to make sure there's no harsh lines. So I think I'm going to go and blend this colour with this colour just with another shimmer, and this is Venom by Makeup Geek, just so there's a bit more transition. Oh yeah. What I actually think I'm going to do on my inner part of my eyelid is going with the colour Fortune Teller, and this is a like yellow gold, and I kind of just want to dust it just a tiny bit on the very beginning of my lid. And then go back in with that lime green just to blend it out a little bit. Because I don't want too much of the gold. I just want just a tiny bit. Yeah, I'm quite happy that I did that actually. I like the outcome better. So I think I'm going to do a wing, but I'm going to do my wing off camera just because I can't do it on camera and you won't be able to see me because I'll be like this. So I'm going to go off camera. I think I'm going to do a black wing and then maybe some colour. Maybe, who knows. So I will see you in a bit. Bye guys. Hi guys, so I'm back. So as you can see, I've done my wing liner and I've done mascara. For wing liner, I used the LA Splash Architect Slim Waterproof Liner. For mascara, I used the Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. And for my inner corner highlight, I used Makeup Geek Shimmer Shimmer. For my lower lash line, I think I'm going to go back in with this palette. But I actually am going to do maybe these two on my lower lash line just because the top is a little bit dark. So first I'm going to go in with this colour on my lower lash line. My eyeliner took me so long to do and it messed up so many times. I was worried that I was going to have to just literally take off all the eye makeup and just do it all over again. But I saved it. They're definitely not sisters, they're distant cousins. And I didn't go in with any colour on the liner just because I don't think it would actually show up with the makeup I have already. So now I'm going to go in with this colour with the same brush. I'm going to use the R39 brush by Morphe. These eyeshadows are really quite powdery. Don't know how I feel about this. I think I am going to go in with the green on the lower lash line just because, I don't know, it kind of looks a little bit weird. It's not really doing anything for me, so I think I'm going to go in with the green as well. But I'm going to go in with this colour first. I am going to go in with this colour here on the outside of my lower lash line just because, I don't know, don't really like how this is coming across. And the brush I'm going to use with the green is a MB16. And now I'm going to go in with the M139 with the same colour and just blend it a little bit. Ow. I'm actually going to go in with this colour now just to intensify the lower lash line a little bit. Then go back in with that green colour just to blend it out a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with this colour just to blend out the green a little bit. Just on the bottom of it. So I'm not really loving my lower lash line, but I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay liner in Post Punk and put this on my waterline. So I'm actually going to bring that down just here. And then I'm going to blend that out with the colour Limelight that I used on my lid. And then I'm going to blend that out. So basically, I'm just going to copy everything that's on the top of my eyes. So I'm going to go in with the colour Fortune Teller just on the inner corner. So now I'm going to do mascara on my lower lashes. Okay, so now that I've done mascara, my eye is so bloodshot right now. It's like proper red. I don't know what's happened to it, but it's really irritated. I do like this look a lot more now as it's all come together. It's actually really pretty. I wasn't keen on it at the beginning, but I actually do like it. So now it's time for the rest of my makeup. So I'm going to go in with my bronzer, which is the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. So now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder on the bottom of my contour bronzer. Now I'm going to go in with blush. So for blush, I'm going to go in with my Morphe 9B palette, and I'm going to go in with this one. Just a touch of this one. Then go over it with my bronzer brush, just to make sure it's all neatly cohesive. Is that even the right word I'm looking for? Probably not. Now for highlight, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution and Soph palette. I'm going to go in with this colour over here. And I'm not sure if I'm going to take this on my cheeks. Or if I do, I'm just going to add the tiniest bit. I need to brush my brows out again because they have gone crazy already. So that's all I'm doing for my highlight on my cheeks. Now for my nose, I'm going to use a smaller brush. And my Cupid's bow. And then go over with a beauty blender. I'm going to put some highlight on my brow bone. Now for lips, I'm going to go in with my MAC lip liner in Devilish. This lip is too pink for what I wanted. So I could either go real dark and do like a dark lip, or I could go nude. And I think it's going to be nude. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Vivid Hot Lacquer in Unreal. I think you can't go wrong with a brown lip and a green eye. I love how it looks. So this is the end of the tutorial, guys. This is my finished look. I actually do like how it's come out now. At the beginning, I wasn't that keen on it. I really thought I was going to have to take it all off and start all over again. But I actually like how it looks. I like the kind of grungy look. A wing was definitely needed, and I'm happy I did do the wing. Even though it took me a long time, I did it, and they're not sisters, they're distant cousins, but it is what it is. The face, well, if you want to know what I think about the foundation, you have to watch my other video, and I will link up here if it's already up, but it might not be. So yeah, guys, this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up and some comments down below, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.